Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I am going to talk about how to calculate the number of AAC block and mortar required in a block. Okay, so you have seen the bricks like this, block like this, and it is heat resisting bricks as well as lightweight bricks. Okay, lightweight block. So let us see how will we calculate the number of AAC blocks, number of these blocks, and mortar required in a wall. Mortar means the mixture of cement and sand. Okay, so we will see here how many number of blocks will required and how much cement sand is required for construct a wall of 5 meter length and 3.6 feet height. Okay, so here I have taken the picture from the side, and you can see here the length of wall is how much, 5 meter, and the height is how much, 3.6 feet. Okay, and I will show you practically that how many block will required and how many sand and cement will required. Okay, so let's start. So here first of all given the length of wall is how much, 5 meter, and width of wall is how much, 150 mm. This wall width of wall is how much, 150 mm, and which is the width of the block. Okay, the width of a wall is same as the width of block because we have only used one block in each line. Okay, so here I have converted this 150 mm into meter. We know that 1 meter equals to 1000 mm, so we have to divide it with 1000 to get the in meter. Okay, 0.15 meter, and the height of wall is how much, 3.6 feet. This height is how much, 3.6 feet, and after that 3.6 feet we have to convert it into meter. Okay guys, all the units should be converted into one unit, either it should be in feet, either it should be in meter. So I am converting here all the unit in meter. So here you can see 1 feet is equals to 0.3048 meter, and you have to remember this. Okay, here 3.6 feet, and we have to multiply it with this value to get in meter. So after multiplying we will get how much, 1.1 meter. Now the length, width and height of this block is also given, and we should know the dimension of this wall and block before calculating the total number of blocks and mortar required in the wall. Okay, so length of AAC block is how much, 600 mm, and we have to convert it into meter, which is 0.6 meter. Okay, and the width is how much, 150 mm. This width is how much, 150 mm, and again converting it into meter we will get 0.15 meter, and height is how much, 200 mm. This height is 200 mm, and converting it into meter we will get 0.2 meter. Okay, now let us move toward step by step. Okay guys, here first step I am going to calculate the volume of AAC block without mortar. Okay, this is the actual volume of AAC block. So actual volume without mortar, you can see here the mortar has added between the block. Okay, so we don't have to add this mortar at first. First of all, we have to calculate actual volume of this block. Okay, in first step we have to calculate the volume of this block. So we know that the volume of block is given by L into B into H, and here L is given and B is also given and H is also given. So total volume we by calculating we will get how much, 0.018 meter cube. Okay, after that in second step we have to calculate volume of wall. Okay, in first step volume of this block, and second step we have to calculate the volume of this wall. Okay guys, so again the volume of wall will be L into B into H. Okay, so L is given 5 meter, width is given 0.15 meter, and height is given 1.1 meter, and after calculating we will get how much, 0.825 meter cube. Okay guys, if you have copy and pen, then please note this value and this value, that the volume of AAC block and volume of wall. Okay, now let us move toward step number 3. So in step number 3 we will calculate the volume of AAC block with mortar. Okay, with mortar. At first we had calculated without mortar, now we will calculate with mortar. So in this wall the thickness of 10 mm mortar had used. Okay, so I am taking 10 mm mortar. So if we add mortar in this block, then we have to add in this side, and this side. Okay, so we have to add 10 mm in each side of the block. Okay, so I am adding 10 mm, 10 mm and 10 mm. Okay, all side of this block. Length become 600 to 610 mm. Okay, so we will get length 0.61 and width will be 0.16 meter and height will be 0.21 meter. Okay, now we have to calculate the volume of ACC block with mortar. After getting all the dimension, we have to use the formula L into B into H, and we will get how much? 0.0205 meter cube. Okay guys, we have calculated the volume of ACC block with mortar. Now in step number 5, what will we do? Number of ACC block. We will calculate the number of ACC block, and the formula is total volume of wall divided by volume of ACC block with mortar. Okay, and volume of wall I had told you to note down that 0.825 meter cube. Okay, and volume of ACC block with mortar is how much? 0.0205. Okay guys, now we have to calculate number of ACC block. So total volume of wall we had calculated 0.825, and volume of ACC block with mortar, because wall is also calculated in with mortar. Okay, so volume of wall with mortar divided by volume of ACC block with mortar. So we will get how much? 40.24 number of blocks. So guys, we have calculated the total number of ACC block. Let us see what practically. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it's 8 number of block in one line. So 8 how much? 16 and 8 24, 8 32 and 32 and 8 40. So guys, we have exactly calculated the number of blocks. Okay, now let us move toward the step number 6, and step number 6 is to calculate our volume of mortar. Okay, now how much mortar has used in this wall? Okay, so how will we calculate? To calculate volume of mortar, we have to subtract total volume of bricks without mortar from the volume of wall. So we have calculated volume of wall. Total volume of wall with mortar is given 0.825. we have calculated already, and minus total volume of bricks without mortar. Okay, so total number of bricks without mortar, how will we calculate? Total number of bricks, it means number of total bricks into volume of one bricks without mortar. Okay, so volume of wall is given this much, and number of bricks we have calculated 41. It was 40 point something, but I am taking here 41, and volume of one bricks is given this much, 0.018. We have calculated in previous page. So total volume of mortar will be 0.087 meter cube. Okay guys, and after this we have calculated the volume of mortar, and we have to convert it into dry volume because it is in wet volume. So to calculate the dry volume of mortar, we have to multiply it with 1.33. You can also use 1.32 because 32 to 34% of quantity of mortar is added to calculate the dry volume. So dry volume we have calculated how much after calculating 0.11571 meter cube. Okay guys, we have calculated dry volume of mortar also. Now we have to calculate total volume of cement and sand used in this mortar. So let us move. So here we have came into step number 8. Okay, so in step number 8, calculation of cement and sand. Let the cement sand ratio be 1:4. Okay guys, it may be 1:6, 1:5. Okay, so here I am taking 1:4. Then volume of cement will be how much? 1, because one part of cement has used, and total ratio is how much? 1 plus 4. Here 1 plus 4. If it was used 1:5 or 1:6, then we will write here 1 plus 5 or 1 plus 6. Okay, so 1 part of cement, because we are calculating volume of cement, 1 part of cement divided by 1 plus 4 into, this is the total volume of dry mortar. Okay, dry volume of mortar we have calculated in previous page. Okay, so after calculating we will get how much? 0.023142 meter cube. Now we have to calculate volume of sand. Here the volume of sand is in 4 parts, so 4 divided by, same here we have used 1 plus 4, and total dry volume of mortar. So after calculating we will get how much? 0.09257 meter cube. So guys, we have calculated volume of cement as well as volume of sand, but the cement are found in kg or in bags, so we have to convert this volume of cement into kg. So in step number 9 we will convert the volume of cement into kg. So weight is equals to volume into density, and we have calculated volume of cement is 0.023142, and density of cement is how much? 1440, and you have to remember this, the density of cement is how much? 1440. So after calculating, multiplying volume with density, we will get weight 33.324 kg of cement. Okay, and it is approximately 75% of 1 bag of cement, because in 1 bag of cement there remains 50 kg of cement. So step number 10, we have to calculate water required. Okay guys, so water required depends upon the water cement ratio as per design and according to environment condition. But guys, normally we take 25 liter to 35 liter of water per bag of cement. If the environment is hot, then we can use 32 to 35 liter of water, and if the weather is cold, then we can use 25 liter 26 liter of water in 1 bag of cement. Okay guys, so in this way we can calculate the total number of blocks and mortar required in a wall in step by step in easy way. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.